This is a continuation of the previous video. Before moving to the sixth problem, we have another two accounts to be prepared in this. What is this? Problem number 5. That is, which is that abnormal gain and abnormal loss account I have to prepare it. Okay, now I'll be doing the next, that is first abnormal loss account. Particulars, units, credit and debit. Okay, before this, I have to record in which process I have got loss. ಯಾವ process loss ಆಗಿದೆ? Process Y. Alva, that is process 2. Okay, that is 2 process 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ? That is 20 and 1000. Clear? So, how to sell this scrap? Okay, how to sell this scrap? I will be treating this as by sale of scrap. Okay, by sale of scrap. Okay, how much? Okay, I have the scrap value is 20 into how much, for how much rupees you are going to sell that? 4. Yes, given in the problem. See, for that scrap has to be sold for rupees 4. Okay, 20 into 4 how much you are going to get? That is 80. In each column 20 you are going to record. That is 20 into 4. That is 80. I hope everyone are clear with this. Okay, which side I have more? Okay, this side also. Okay, that is units. 20 and 1000. 20 and 1000. Okay. So 1000 minus 80, that is how much you are going to get? 920. So this is to be taken as by profit and loss balancing. Okay, I hope you know this abnormal loss. Okay, then next one, abnormal gain account. Abnormal gain. Abnormal gain. Abnormal gain. See the same thing. Particulars, units, rupees, particulars, units, ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಗೇನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಗೇನ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಯಾವ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಗೇನ್ by process 3. How much you got there? 15. And what is the total you got? 15 into how much is that? 1000 to So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ನ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So but I should name it as to shortfall in sale of normal wastage. Shortfall in sale of normal wastage. Or else you can treat it, tell it as normal wastage. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವೇಸ್ಟೇಜ್ the shortfall in sale of normal wastage. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಎಷ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು 15. ಓಕೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವಾಗ ವೇಸ್ಟೇಜ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಿ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು 5 15 into 5 15 ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ 15 into 5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ how much are going to get? 75. So which side I have more? 15 this side 1200 na ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, 1200 minus 75 1125. So 2300. Okay, I hope everyone are clear with this. Okay, everyone are clear with this? Okay, this fifth problem, because in the previous video I have done with the process and I told I will be doing for the sixth problem. So before going on to the sixth problem, I have done with this abnormal gain and abnormal loss account. Are you all clear with this? Shall we move on to the sixth problem? Okay. Yes, see the next sixth problem. Product X is obtained after it passes through three distinct processes. Product Z is obtained after it passes through three distinct processes. You are required to prepare process account, abnormal loss account and abnormal gain account. Okay, so here we have the different items, and first only has given the total column. Okay, materials 15,084, that is total column. See the process 500 for the process 1, 3,960 for process 2 and 5,924 for process 3. Then direct wages also total is 18,000. Okay, then 4,000, 6,000 and 8,000. And production overhead 18,000 he has given. Okay, that is also like the previous problem itself. 1000 units at rupees 6 per unit were introduced in process 1. This is input introduced for process 1. Then production overhead are to be distributed at 100% on direct wages. 100% on direct wages. That is you have to take it. Okay, the previous problem ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ as a percentage of direct wages. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದ್ರ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಓವರ್ಹೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಅಟ್ 100% ಆನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವೇಜಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫುಲ್ಲು ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಈ ಥರ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 100% ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಟೋಟಲ್ 100% ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಸೇಮ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಅದ್ರದ್ದೇ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದ್ರ ವೇಜಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವೇಜಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಓವರ್ಹೆಡ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ನು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಸೇಮೇ ಬರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ in units, that is 950, 840 and 750. Normal loss is 5% and 10%, 15%, and scrap value 4, 8 and 10 rupees we have. Okay, shall we solve with the first process, that is process 1. Process 1. Particulars, units, okay. See, it's a process 1. sixth problem. Okay, sixth problem. Label it as sixth. Okay. Now, listen. One by one, I am going to record. First, I record to input introduced. Input introduced. How much I have input introduced? 1000. Okay, already in the problem only 1000 at rupees 6. 1000 into 6. So I have taken 6000. Okay, next one by one. Two materials. Two materials is taken up. Two materials how much I have? 5200. Then after that, two direct wages. How much I have direct wages? 4000. Okay, then after direct wages, what I have? Two production overhead. Two production overhead. 100% of direct wages ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4000 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬೈ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸು? 1000 ಅಲ್ವಾ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತೆ? 5%. ಅಂದರೆ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್? 50. ಈ 50 ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ? 50 into how much you are going to sell? To 4. How much you are going to get? 200. Okay, are you clear with this? Then next, by transferred to process 2. Process 2. How much I have? It is 950. 950. Okay. Which side I have more? Okay. Which side I have more? Both the side I have same. Okay. 1000. Here also 1000. But total I have more here. That is 19,200. 19,200. Here I don't have no profit, no loss, but also I have to identify the cost per unit. That is my work. Okay, 19,200 minus 19,000, 19,200 minus 19,200, that is 90,000 you are going to get. Are you all clear with this? So here I don't have loss or profit. Nothing I have here. Okay, so but also I have to find out the cost per unit. Step 1. ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ನೀನು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 19,200 minus what is the value of normal loss? 200. Then what is input introduced? 1000. Then what is normal loss in units? That is normal loss in units, that is 50. So how much I am going to get here? If I simplify this, I am going to get how much? That is 20. Are you all clear with this? Clear everyone? Shall I move on to the next process, that is process 2. Process 2. Okay, this is process 2. Here transfer to process 3. The process 3. Okay. Next, to transferred from process 1. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ process 1 ಇಂದ 950 ಆಮೇಲೆ how much? That is 90,000. Okay, 90,000. Okay, the 19,000. Then materials. Is there two materials? 3,960. Okay, how much I have? The materials 3,960. Then after that, how much I have? That is direct wages 6,000, and the 100% is the same 6,000. Okay. Then come to the next one. Okay, output ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದೆ? Normal loss 950. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತೆ? 10%. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? 95. ಈ ವೇಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ನೀನು ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? How much is given in the problem? 8. 950 into 8 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 7,060. Okay, this I am going to next I have that is process 3 ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so by transfer to process 3, how much I have? Transfer to process 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯಮ್ಮ? That is we have 840. I should get the balancing figure and I have to take that. Okay, so which side I have more here? Which side I have more? That is this side itself. 950. How many total ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 34,960. Okay, 950. How many? 34,960. 950 minus 840 minus 95 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? You are going to get 15. This is by abnormal loss. So 15 into, I have to find out the cost per unit now. Okay. Total cost is to 34,960. Value of normal loss is to 760 we have. What is input introduced? 950. Normal loss in units 95. So what will be the cost per unit I am going to get? That is 40. Okay, I am going to get 40. So 15 into 40 if you do, how much you are going to get? 15 into 40 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಮ್ಮ? You are going to get how much? That is 600. 600 you are going to get. Okay, I hope you are going to get 40 or 36, I hope. Okay, 3600. Okay, if you get this 36, 15 into 36 if you do, you are going to get, that is 600. Okay, 15 into 36 if you do, you are going to get 600. Are you all clear with this? Clear? Okay, let's move on to the next process. Next process shall we move? Okay, but before moving to that process, I have to balance this. Okay, 34,960 minus 600 minus 760 if you do, how much you get? 33,600 you are going to get. Okay, 600 you are going to get. Okay, I hope everyone are clear with this. 15 into 36, so 36 is significant. It's not 40, you are going to get 36. Okay, 15 into 36 you are going to get. Just a minute. 540. Okay, but here you are going to get, just a minute. Okay, students, see, there is a small mistake. If you multiply and if you simplify this, you are going to get 40. Okay, you are going to get 40 itself, and the abnormal loss is to be multiplied with 15 into 40 itself. 15 into 40 if you do, you are going to get 600, not 36. Okay, not 36. 15 into 40 if you do, you are going to get 600. If you simplify this, you are going to get 40 itself. Okay, no need to get confused. Okay, let's move on to the next one, that is process 3. That is process 3. Okay, see now we are going to see with the process 3, last process. Okay, see one by one we are going to take down process 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? process 2 ಇಂದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So how much we have? 840 ಆಮೇಲೆ 33,600 we got. So now what are the items values he has given? 5,000, materials ಎಷ್ಟು? 5,924. Then direct wages how much we have? 8,000. 100% of wages ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100% of direct wages ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಅದನ್ನು 8,000 ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, normal loss. Okay, normal loss ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ how much input I have? 840 into how much we have? how much I should take, how much percent, that is 15%. So 126 ಇದೆ. So this 126 into ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂತ. So 1260 I have to. By transferred, okay, ನೀವು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, by transferred to finished goods, because this is your last process. Okay, finished goods. So finished goods ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯಮ್ಮ, how much we have the finished goods, that is 750. 750 I have. Okay, so 750 into, ನಾನು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್. Sorry, don't take this. Sorry, this is 750 I have. Okay, then after this, which side I have more profit? Which side I have more total? Okay, this side, sir. Which is that? That is credit side. 126 plus 750, how much we are going to get? 876. So here also 876 I am going to take. 876 minus 840, how much you are going to get? That is 36. This is your two abnormal gain. So I am going to identify 36 into cost per unit ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಗೇನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಟೋಟಲು ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಮ್ಮ? ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್? 55,000. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 55,524. 55,524 minus value of normal loss 1,260, input introduced 840, then normal loss in units 126. So if you do, finally you are going to get 76. Okay, 76 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay, 36 into 76 ಮಾಡಿ. 36 into 76 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ how much you are going to get? 2,736. Then finally you are going to do the total. Okay, if you do the total, how much you are going to get? 33,600 plus 5,924 ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 58,260. 58,260. ಇದನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಕಂಡಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 57,000. 57,000. I hope everyone are clear with this process 3. Everyone are clear? Okay. Now we'll move on to the last concept of this problem, where I have to prepare abnormal loss account. Abnormal loss and abnormal gain. Abnormal loss, abnormal loss account. Particulars, unit, rupees. Particulars, units, particulars, units, rupees, particulars, units, okay. Okay, now loss, ಯಾವ process loss ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. process 2 ಗೆ loss ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ? 15 ಆಮೇಲೆ 600. ಓಕೆ, process 2 ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬೈ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 50 into ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ನ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? you are going to sell it for rupees. How much is given? The scrap, how much you are going to sell? For rupees 8. Okay, rupees 8 ಗೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಮ್ಮ? you are going to get 120. 120, but unit is 50. You know. I hope everyone are clear with this. So now, before this, you are going to see the total. 15 same is 600. Just is the record martini. 600 minus 120. How much you are going to get? 480. This is called as what? By profit and loss. Balancing figure. So profit and loss. Everyone are clear? Clear? Okay. Next abnormal gain amount. Last part. Abnormal gain. Okay. Now abnormal gain is ಯಾವ process ಅಲ್ಲಿ gain ಆಗಿದೆ by process 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ gain ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ? 36 ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ? 2736. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನದು? ಟು shortfall in sale of normal wastage. Okay, 36 as it is equal to 36 into, for how much rupees he has sold that? 10. 36 into 10, 360. 36 into 10, 360. Now side just see that. Okay, so 36 as it is. Okay, but here I have 2736 more. So in the balancing figure, 2736 minus 360, that is 2376. 2376, that is to profit and loss balancing. Hope it's over with the fifth and sixth problem we have completed. Okay, thank you.